Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty Dose. So today we are going to do unboxing of this Nykaa haul. So let's get into the video. So I got some products from Nykaa. So let's unbox this. And let me tell you, Nykaa does amazing packaging. So the first product is this Nykaa Purifying Nourisher. This is a moisturizer. As you know, I have a combination skin type, so I use this product, and this is a very nice product for oily and combination skin type. So I highly recommend this moisturizer, Nykaa Purifying Nourisher, for oily and combination skin type. I'm already using this, so this is the backup product which I have got. So the other product is from Mamaearth. I have ordered 2-3 products from Mamaearth. So this is a eye cream for dark circles. I used 1 or 2 products from Mamaearth and I really liked the products, so I ordered some of the products. This is a cream based. You just have to take this much and like this and just apply on your under eye dark circles before sleeping. I really like the consistency and it is very hydrating. And as Mamaearth has all the products natural, so I highly recommend this one. And the next product which I've ordered is this one is Mamaearth shampoo. This is for anti-dandruff. So this is tea tree shampoo, which I really loved. I will try this out and let you know how's the product. The next product is this is Philips Bikini trimmer. So let's see how this looks. ये कुछ इस तरीके से दिखता है. इसके ब्लेड बिल्कुल फाइन है, so it will get the precision. It comes with this box which has a pouch to carry if you want to travel somewhere. It has a little mini brush like this to clean the blades after you trim it. And it has these 2 safety blades. If you are scared of using this directly, you can put this over here and you can use it. It has a battery and it has one more the blade which you can use it as a shaver. Alright, this is a trimmer and this is a shaver. If you want to shave it, you can just remove this part and you can just place this. And if you want to use as a trimmer, because it has very thin blade, so you can easily and conveniently use this on bikini area. Philips itself is a very good brand, so I highly recommend to buy this one if you are looking for something like this. I have got this free. This is Mamaearth onion shampoo for hair fall control. I will try this and let you know how is it. Next 2 products I have got for my daughter. This is Mamaearth Rash Cream. So Mamaearth makes amazing rash cream. So it has all the ingredients which are natural, so it is safe for the babies. It has amazing packaging like this. And let me see the consistency of the cream. It is very nice. So what you have to do if you have a newborn, if you have a baby who wears a diaper, what you have to do, you just have to apply this and make a thin layer like this, so that it will create a barrier between the skin when the baby pees, so it will be protected. So I highly recommend this product, and the fragrance is very mild. For prevention as well as for treatment, you should use a diaper rash cream. So every time you change the diaper, you have to first apply this and then make your baby wear diaper. The next product is, as you know, I use the Mom's Core product for baby. So from her birth, I have been using this product, so I don't want to switch to any other product. So that's why I'm using this brand. This brand also has natural ingredients, so I use this one. So this is a baby wash. I use all the products from this company only. Its best part is it's come with a pump, so it becomes easy. So that's all I have for you today. So I wanted to do unboxing in front of you. I hope you find this video useful, and if you like this video, do like and subscribe to my channel. I'll come with more such amazing videos. So till then, take care. Bye guys.